welcome to my channel. We have another exciting SolidWorks tutorial to begin with, and let's get started. Go File, and then New, and then go to the part, click Part, and OK. And then let's go something like make a galvanized aqua dynamic galvanized fitting at flange that is 3/4 of an inch. So let's do some front and then sketch, and let's do some circle, and let's do the document properties, units in inch, right? It's okay for now. And now let's do some dimensioning. It will be something like 5 inch. Okay. And let's get out of the those stuff, and then let's go and make a circle that is, let's say, 3/4 will be the real dimension will be 1.050. That is on the sizes of the pipe size, so in an inch, and regenerate the model with the current value of 1.050, and then click OK. And now you can see that there is now a hole, big hole and a bit small, not so circle, both circle. Now let's go to picture, and then the extrude. I want it to be in the middle plane, that's the mid plane, and I want it to have 0.75 of an inch right there. So you can see that it was made like a plunge right now. So click OK, and now let's do some jumper onto this side and to this side, a little bit smaller. So let's do some 0.0 as a unit of an inch. Now you can see that there is a yellow preview that is commercial, or a drawing, or a jumper. So with 0.1 and a 45-degree, and click OK to get out of the jumper dialog box. Now you can see it's more nicer, more finer. So let's get to a normal 2 on this one, because I wanted to have a sketch again that is let's do a sketch here that is the convert to entities, and then offset that one, going to have something like 0.25 as of an inch. See that 0.25. So let's get out of the offset entities. Now you have 2 circle, and let's do the picture, extrude cut, or that it will be mesh. So I wanted to have it let's do some upward. Doesn't work, maybe it's just very small degree, so let's just use that way, and merge blind 0.75, click OK. Now let's put this one as have something like a jumper. I'm gonna increase the length so it will be more nicer. Let's reduce that one to have it 0.5 of an inch, and let's get out of the chamfer. That is full preview 0.5 45 degree. So now it's more of nicer to look. Okay, and let's go on to the normal tool, and I'm gonna use the magic stuff, the hole wizard, to make a hole onto this area. So let's do some hole countersink. Let's do some countersink. Let's do some countersink. Let's try it again with this one. And then let's just countersink. And it's 3/8 with the countersink head. And then let's position it. Let's put it here. Okay, now I've got one hole, so let's do some edit of the countersink. So let's do some, let's try to measure that one from here to here. It comes to 1.75. I did 1.75 on that one. So let's do the right thing. So let's get out of the drawing of the edit mode. Now I had one that is countersink on that one. So I wanted to have a circle pattern on that one. So I want it at four instances on this area, and the paste to be copy is the countersink, and then the rotation will be this one. You can see that it copies 4 times at a 360 degrees rotation. So let's go and get out of the dialog box of the circular pattern. Click OK. Now you can see that it's fully been made a hole. So now let's get a thread on this. Now let's redo the editing of the thread. So I put it a little bit longer. So let's do the thread as 2.5, or where is that one? It's supposed to be, let's say 3. And then the revolution, now it will be blind. Let's increase it to 1.5. So it will be threaded. Okay. Now it's fully threaded. Okay, that's right. So let's go now for the color. We put some color with this advanced, then browse, and then let's go on to the metal, chrome. Let's do the coarse chrome and get out of the dialog box. So it's chrome right now. Let's check it out by means of rendering it. Let's go render. Let's go do the final render. Continue. Sorry for that. A little bit darker. Okay. See that it has been done properly.